Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at 15 puzzle. This metal puzzle was made by Thinkfun and it is a metal version of a classic puzzle that was introduced in 1933. And probably it is one of the world's best known puzzles. I think that all of you at least saw this puzzle once in your life, or maybe even had this puzzle when you were a kid. I had a similar puzzle, but it was made of plastic when I was a kid, and it was not very pleasant to play with it since the parts were stuck all the time and it was difficult to move them. But this metal version, all the parts moves very smooth and it is just fun to play with it. Also, this puzzle comes with a little pouch where you can put it and then put it in your pocket where you can carry it with you all the time since it is quite small. And also, when I was a kid, I thought that the only way you can solve it is just to put all the numbers from 1 to 15 and that's it. Sometimes you can put number 1 in this corner and put all the numbers backwards, but this puzzle comes with a small booklet which has a lot of different challenges, and there are quite interesting challenges. For example, you can put odd numbers on top, even on bottom, or some other quite strange combinations which you can try to figure out how to solve. So quite interesting puzzle, nice version of a classic one, and I think every puzzler is supposed to have this one in the collection since it looks good and it is just nice memories from the childhood. If you like this puzzle and you want to get it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and thank you for watching.